Hello students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. Okay, today we are going to discuss about Tamil Nadu Metric Board. Okay, class 12th syllabus in problematic conditions, in book back questions. First problem, an object is placed at a distance from a convex lens of focal length 20 cm. Find the distance of the object if the image obtained is magnified 4 times. Okay, very simple problem. Okay students, first listen. An object is placed at a distance of from a convex lens of focal length. Okay, focal length in the case of convex lens is always positive. Okay, this is optic center, the focus to f1. Okay, this is the f2 and 2f2. The convex lens, the focal length always positive, given that f is equal to 20 centimeter. Next, find the distance of the object distance to find out, student, in this problem. If the image obtained is magnified 4 times, magnification formula m is equal to v by u. Okay, here magnification 4 times, 4 is equal to v by u, then v is equal to 4 times into u, object distance. Find out object distance by using in this problem convex lens. Okay, lens formula, it is applicable in this problem. According to lens formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Okay, 1 by f is equal to 20 centimeter, 20 is equal to 1 by v is equal to 4u minus 1 by u. 1 by 20 is equal to, okay, take LCM 4u into 4u square. Okay, cross multiplication u minus 4u. Okay, 4 ones, 4 5s. 1 by 5 is equal to minus 3u by u square. U cancel. Remaining, the object distance is equal to 5 into 3, 15 centimeter. This is the problem. Object distance, object always situated in this portion, left side of the convex lens. Okay, this total this area is negative because according to coordinate system, this is minus x, this is plus x. Okay, this is the plus y axis and this is the minus y axis. That's why object is taken along the left side of the lens. Okay, object distance actually negative indicated, minus 15 centimeter. Second problem, compound microscope has a magnification of 30 centimeter. The focal length of eyepiece is 5 centimeter. Assuming final image to be at least a distance of distinct vision 25 centimeter, student, find the magnification produced by the objective. Okay, in this compound microscope, the two lenses, two pieces are used. One is the objective, second one is the eyepiece. Okay, in this one, the eyepiece is 5 centimeter. First write magnification, given that magnification m is equal to 30. Magnification m is equal to 30. The focal length of eyepiece is fe is equal to 5 centimeter. Assuming final image to be at least a distance of that formula is m is equal to m naught into 1 plus d by fe, 1 plus d by fe. Okay, here m is equal to 30 is equal to m naught. Find out, student, the magnification produced by the objective. MO is the magnification produced by the objective, MO into 1 plus d, the distinct vision is a 25 by The focal length of eyepiece 5. Okay, 5 ones, 5 5s. 30 is equal to MO, that is a magnification produced by the objective MO into 1 plus 5 is the 6. 6 ones, 6 5. The objective, the magnification produced by the objective MO is equal to 5. This is the second problem answer. Okay, third problem students. An object is placed in front of a concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeter. The image formed in 3 times the size of the object. Calculate 2 possible distances of the object from the mirror. Okay, very simple student problem. An object is placed in front of a concave mirror. Concave mirror. Okay, first draw the concave mirror student. Okay, this is the pole. Focus, center of curvature. Focal length is 20 centimeter. The focal length in the case of concave mirror, the focal length is negative. The focal length f is equal to minus 20 centimeter. The image formed in 3 times the size of the object. Okay, the magnification is equal to, the first taking plus 3. Okay, v by u is equal to plus 3, then v is equal to minus 3u. Okay, by using mirror formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Okay, 1 by f is the 1 by minus 20 is equal to minus 1 by 3u plus 1 by u. 1 by u. Okay, minus 1 by 20 is equal to, okay, cross multiplication, minus u plus 3u by 3u square minus 1 by 20 is equal to 2u by 3u square. Okay, square u cancel, 2 by 3u 40. Okay, u is equal to minus 40 by 3 centimeter. Okay, this is the first point, first position. Okay, second position students. Okay, first condition is the m is equal to plus 3. The second condition m is equal to minus 3. Okay, minus v by u is equal to minus 3. Okay, minus minus cancel, then v is equal to 3u. By using a mirror formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Okay, 1 by f minus 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by 3u plus 1 by u. 1 by u minus 1 by 20 is equal to, take LCM, that is 4u numerator, next to LCM 3u square, u cancel, remaining u is equal to cross multiplication minus 80 by 3 centimeter. Okay, first point is the u is equal to minus 40 by 3 centimeter. The second one, u is equal to minus 80 by 3 centimeter. Okay, this is the 2 possible distance of the object from the mirror. This is the third problem. Fourth problem. A small bulb is placed at the bottom of a tank containing water to a depth of 80 centimeter. What is the area of the surface of water through which light from the bulb can emerge out? The refractive index of water is 1.33. Okay, then find out area of the surface of the water. Find out student in this problem. First, draw the rough diagram of this problem. Okay, in this one, this point is a B, that is the bulb. bulb. Okay, in this one, this is the point A, this is the C. Okay, incident ray, that angle of incidence, so 90 degree in this one. Okay, so 90 degree. Okay, one is the normal ray, that is the O, that is the O. The depth of the tank, the depth of the tank is 80 centimeter. It is a given data. The depth of the water tank is 80 centimeter. Okay, it is a given data. Actual depth of the bulb in water, D1 is equal to actual depth 80 centimeter. The 80 centimeter to convert meter, 0.8 meter, 0.8 meter. The refractive index of the water, mu is equal to 1.33. 1.33. The angle of refraction emerge out, angle of refraction is equal to 90 degree. The bulb is a point source. The bulb is a point source. The emergent ray, light ray, can be considered as the circle of radius. Circle of radius. Then R is equal to AC by 2. AC by 2. That is equal to AO is equal to OB. AO is equal to OB. According to Snell's law, the Snell's law, that is the law of refraction, second law, the ratio between sine of angle of incident is equal to sine of angle of refraction. Okay, mu is equal to sine R by sine I. Sine R by sine I. Here mu is equal to 1.33. 1.33 is equal to sine R, sine 90 degrees by sine I. Sine I. Okay. Then I is equal to sine inverse. Sine 90 is the 1 by 1.33. Okay, that angle is the incident angle, 48.75 degree. 48.75 degree. This is the angle of incident. Angle of incident is equal to 48.75 degree. Using the figure, triangle OBC. Triangle OBC. Triangle OBC, tan I is equal to tan I is equal to tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. The OC by OB, OC by OB, that is equal to OC is the R by, and OB is equal to D1. OB is equal to D1. Then R is equal to tan I is equal to 48.75 degrees into R. Okay, into D1. Actually this is the D1. Okay, D1 is equal to 0.8. The totally R is equal to 0.91 meter. The radius is equal to R is equal to 0.91 meter. Okay, next find out the area of the surface of water. Okay, area of the surface of the water. Okay, area is equal to pi R square. Okay, pi value 3.414 into R is equal to 0.91 whole square, that is equal to 2.6. Okay, 2.61 meter square. This is the problem. Fourth problem, 2.61 meter square is the answer. Fifth problem, a thin converging glass lens made of glass with refractive index 1.5 has a power of plus 5.0 diopter. When this lens is immersed in a liquid of refractive index, it acts as a divergent lens of focal length 100 centimeter. What must be the value of n? Okay, very simple students in this problem. According to lens maker's formula, the focal length of a convex lens placed in air can be obtained as first to lens maker's formula 1 by f is equal to n2 by na minus 1, the refractive index of the second medium due to the refractive index of air, minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2, 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. The power of a lens P is equal to 1 by f, 1 by focal length. The power is equal to power of lens plus 5.0, plus 5.0, and n2 is the refractive index of glass 1.5, and Na, the refractive index of the air, that value 1. Okay, the focal length f is equal to, that is 100 by 5, that is equal to 20 centimeter, 20 centimeter. 1 by 20 is equal to n2 is the 1.5 by 1 minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2, 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Okay, that implies 1 by 20 is equal to 1.5 by 1, 1.5 minus 1, that is 0.5 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. This is the equation number 1. That is the equation number 1. Then next to, it acts a divergent lens of focal length of 100 centimeter. What must be the value of n? What must be the value of n? Okay, again taken using a lens maker's formula, 1 by f1 is equal to n2 by n1 minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2, 1 by r2. Okay, the power of diopter, power of a lens P is equal to 1 by f1 is equal to 1, is equal to 1. Then next to the focal length f1 is equal to 100 centimeter, f1 is equal to 100 centimeter, 1 by f1 is equal to minus 100 centimeter, minus 100 centimeter. N2 is equal to 1.5, and n1 is equal to, find out the must be the value of n. N2 is equal, n1 is equal to n. Okay, these values substitute in the above formula, lens maker's formula. Minus 1 by 100 is equal to 1.5 by n minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2, 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Okay, this is the equation number 2, equation number 2. So next to the equation 2 divided by equation 1, equation 2 divided by equation 1, 2 divided by equation 1, that is equal to, cancellation, minus 1 by 5 is equal to, minus 1 by 5 is equal to 1.5 by n minus 1 divided by 0.5, 0.5. Okay, cross multiplication, 0 minus 0.5 is equal to 1.5 1.5 by n minus 1. Okay. Next, n is equal to 1.5 by 0.1, 0.9. Okay, minus 1 come to this side, that is minus 0.5 by 5 plus 1 is equal to 1.5 by n. Okay, then simplification, n is equal to 1.5 by 0.9. Okay, 0.3, 0.3, 5. Then n is equal to value 5 by 3. Okay, this is the problem. Sixth problem. If the distance capital D between an object and the screen is greater than 4 times the focal length of a convex lens, then there are two positions of the lens for which images are formed on the screen. This method is called conjugate foci method. If small letter d is the distance between the two positions of the lens, obtain the equation of focal length of the convex lens. Okay, first of all, in this one, conjugate method, conjugate foci method means the pair of two such points on the principal axis, the pair of two such points on the principal axis of a lens, that for the object placed at that point, the object is at that point, that is called conjugate foci method. That is called conjugate foci method. Okay, in this method, the convex lens it is used. First to draw the diagram. Okay, in this one, the screen, this is the object, and in this one, screen, the end of this optical bench, screen. This distance is object distance. This distance is a image distance v1. The total distance is distance between object and screen is d. Total distance is d. The distance is d between an object and the screen is greater than 4 times the focal length of a convex lens. Focal length of a convex lens. The 4 times greater than focal length. Okay, this distance is d, small letter d. If d is the distance between the two positions of the lens, and in this object distance is u2, this distance is v2. The v2 is the distance between optical center to screen or image point, that is the image distance. Okay, this is the u2, the second object distance. Okay, lens next to the v1 is equal to, already in this one, v1 is equal to d minus u1, that is equal to d minus u. Then u1 is equal to minus u. From lens formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. 1 by v minus 1 by u. Okay, 1 by f is equal to, v is equal to d minus u. 1 by d minus u minus 1 by u. Okay, u1 is the minus of minus. Okay, 1 by f is equal to 1 by d minus u minus 1 by minus u. Cross multiplication, take LCM. 1 by f is equal to minus u minus of d minus u minus d plus u divided by minus u into d minus u minus u into d minus u. So 1 by f is equal to minus u plus u cancel, remaining minus d by minus ud minus into minus plus u square. Then cross multiplication, u square minus ud minus equal to minus fd. Okay, u square minus fd plus ud is equal to 0. Okay, this is the quadratic equation form. Quadratic equation form, a square plus bx square plus c is equal to 0. Quadratic equation. Then x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a 4ac by 2a. Okay, here b is equal to minus d, b is equal to minus d. The next to a is equal to 1, a is equal to 1. Next to c is equal to df, c is equal to df, and x is equal to u, x is equal to u. Okay, x is equal to u is equal to minus b. Okay, b is equal to minus d, minus into minus plus d plus or minus the square root of b square. Okay, b square is the d square minus 4 into a is equal to 1 and c is equal to df, 4 df minus 4 df by divided by 2a, 2 into 1 2. U is equal to d plus or minus square root of d square minus 4 df by 2. Okay, split into two terms. The first term u is equal to d plus square root of d square minus 4ac by 2. The next to u is equal to d minus square root of d square minus 4ac by 2. Okay, split in two terms. Of one is the plus term, the second one is the minus term. The next the d is equal to the distance, in the distance between the two positions of the length. The first one is the u2 minus u1, u2 minus u1. Okay, here this is the u1, this is the u2. Then d is equal to d minus square root of d square minus 4df, in this one 4df by 2 minus d1, d plus square root of d square minus 4df by 2. The distance between the two positions of the length d is equal to, splitting d minus 2, d by 2 minus square root of d square minus 4df by 2 minus d by 2 minus d by 2 minus into plus minus square root of d square minus 4df by 2. Okay, plus d by 2 minus d by 2 cancel. So remaining d is equal to minus 2 into square root of d square minus 4df by 2. 2 cancel. So remaining d is equal to minus square root of d square minus 4df. The next square on both sides. Square on both sides. The d is equal to minus d square minus 4df. Square on both sides. D square is equal to, okay, minus into minus plus d square minus 4df, 4df, okay, 4df is equal to d square minus small letter d square. 4df is equal to d square minus d square, then f is equal to d square minus small letter d square by 4d. This is the focal length of the convex lens. Okay, this is the problem. It's a very important problem in this one, very easy. Seventh problem, a beam of light of wavelength 600 nanometer from a distant source falls on a slit 1 millimeter wide and the resulting diffraction pattern is observed on a screen 2 meter away. 2 meter away. What is the distance between the first dark fringe on either side of the central bright fringe? Okay, in this dark fringes and the next bright fringes are formed due to the experiment, Young's double slit experiment. Young's double slit experiment. Okay, in this problem, lambda, wavelength lambda is equal to 600 nanometer. Given that lambda is equal to 600 nanometer. Okay, 600 nanometer, to convert meter, 600 into 10 power minus 9 meter. 10 power minus 9 meter. Okay, for a dark fringe to form, for a dark fringe to form, dy by d is equal to lambda. Dy by d is equal to lambda. Then y is equal to d lambda by d. D lambda by small letter d. Okay, y is equal to d. D is the 2 meter. 2 into lambda is equal to the wavelength of beam of light 600 nanometer. 600 into 10 power minus 9. 10 power minus 9 by small d, the width, the slit, the distance source falls on a slit is 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter means 1 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Then y is equal to, okay, in this one 10 power minus 3 come to numerator 10 power plus 3. That is a 1.2 millimeter. 1.2 millimeter. Okay, the distance between the first dark fringe on either side of the central bright fringe is 2 meter away. 2 meter away. Then 2 into 1.2 to 1.2 millimeter, that is equal to 2.4 millimeter. This is the answer. First two in this problem, lambda is equal to 600 nanometer. 600 into 10 power minus 9 meter. Okay, for a dark fringe to form, dy by d is equal to lambda. Okay, d is the slit distance 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter to convert meter, 1 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Okay, y find out, student. Next, d is the distance, the screen distance 2 meter away. Okay, then find out y is equal to 1.2 millimeter. Okay, in this problem, the diffraction pattern is observed on a screen 2 meter away. Okay, the distance between the first dark fringe on either side of the central bright fringe, that is 2 meter. 2 into 1.2 millimeter, that is equal to 2.4 millimeter. This is the seventh problem.